Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the topic tenses. Tense means kaal, which represents the time. So let's start with the tenses. Tenses are of three types. Number one, present tense. Number two, past tense. Number three, future tense. Now we are going to start with the first one, present tense. Present tense is again of four types. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now I am going to explain present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. How would we recognize in Hindi? ता है, ते है, ती है. If the Hindi sentences are ending with these, then they belong to present indefinite tense. What are the rules? Use of first form of verb. In use of V1, if the subject is similar, S or ES is used along with the first form of verb. If the sentence is negative, in negative sentences, do not or does not is used. In interrogative sentences, do or does before the subject. When we use does, then S or ES of the main verb is removed. Next, the example of present indefinite tense. सीता गाना गाती है. सीता is singular, that's why sings. S is used along with sing. Sita sings a song. In negative sentence, Sita does not sing a song. क्या सीता गाना गाती है? Interrogative sentence. Does Sita sing a song? We can take another examples also. Now I am going to explain present continuous tense. As the name indicates, continuous means जो जारी है, चल रहा है, लगातार. That's why पहचान, रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है. Wherever the word continuous is used, you will find these words also in Hindi. रहा, रहे, रही. Okay. So what are the rules to translate? Use of is, am, are. These are the helping verbs which are used in present continuous tense. Use of V1 plus ing. Wherever raha, rahe, rahi, wherever continuous tense is, ing will always be used with V1. Okay? In negative sentences, is not, am not, are not. And in interrogative sentences, is, am or are before the subject. For example, सीता गाना गा रही है. सीता is singular. सीता is singing a song. In negative sentence, सीता गाना नहीं गा रही है. सीता is not singing a song. Interrogative sentence, क्या सीता गाना गा रही है? Is Sita singing a song? Okay, coming to the third type. Present perfect tense. As the name indicates, perfect means full. तो पहचान चुका है, जो काम पूरा हो चुका है. चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है. और the sentences ending with आ है, ए है, ई है. Okay. The rules to translate are use of has or have. Has is used with singular. Have either with I or with plural. Use of V3. Third form of verb is used over here. In negative sentences, has not or have not. In interrogative sentences, have or have has before the subject. For example, सीता गाना गा चुकी है. Sita has sung a song. Has plus third form, V3. Negative sentences, सीता गाना नहीं गा चुकी है. सीता हैज नॉट संग अ सॉन्ग। इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, क्या सीता गाना गा चुकी है? हैज सीता संग अ सॉन्ग? Okay, coming to the fourth and last type of present tense, present perfect continuous tense, which is perfect as well as continuous. Means कुछ पूरा हो चुका है और कुछ चल रहा है, means continue है, जारी है. तो how would we recognize it? पहचान, से रहा है. से means from any particular time period. किसी समय से रहा है, से रहे हैं, से रही है. तो rules are use of has been or have been, V1 plus ing. ing will be used wherever raha, rahe, rahi or continuous. These words are used V1 plus ing. In negative sentences, has not been or have not been. And in interrogative sentences, has or have before the subject and for time, से रहा है, किसी समय से. For that particular time we use either since or for. So this is all about the present perfect continuous tense. For example, सीता 5 मिनट से गाना गा रही है. सीता has been singing a song for 5 minutes. Thank you.